We have the equation of a quadratic written in standard form, and ultimately we want to find the vertex of the parabola and then also any x-intercepts. To find the vertex, one of the ways is to use a formula, and to use the formula we need to identify a, b, and c. The number in front of x squared is a, so that's -1. The number in front of x is b, so we have 4, and the number without a variable is c, which is 5. The formula to find the x coordinate of the vertex is -b over 2a. So we're going to replace the b with 4 and the a with -1. Next, we'll simplify. 2 times -1 is -2, and -4 divided by -2 is +2. Now that we know the x coordinate of the vertex, we're going to substitute that back into the original equation. So here's my equation. I'm substituting in 2 and 2. And when I have -1, (x squared), -1 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 5, I get 9. So my vertex is located at 2, 9. Next, I want to find any x-intercepts. And every point that's on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. So to find any x-intercepts, we're going to replace the y with 0. So the y right there is going to become 0. Then let's grab our equation here. Okay, bring that over. Okay, to solve this equation, I'm going to factor. And if I'm going to factor, I really want that leading coefficient to be a positive. So I'm going to take a -1 out of each one of those terms. And I'm left with, you can redistribute to verify. Negative times positive is negative, negative times negative is positive, negative times negative is positive. Just quickly factoring there. 1 multiplied by -5 goes there, -4 here. Thinking of two numbers that multiply together to get -5 but add up to -4, and that happens to be -5 and +1. Because the leading coefficient is +1, I don't need to put this over a and simplify. So it's just going to be x minus 5 and x plus 1. That negative is still out front. To solve, I'm going to set each piece equal to 0, each factor. And when I set -1 equal to 0, that's just meaningless. That doesn't lead to any solutions. X minus 5 equals 0. Add 5 to both sides, and I get 5. Here, subtract 1, and I have x equals -1. So my x-intercepts are at 5 and -1. The coordinates of those are 5, 0, and -1, 0.